How to use Shopify for email marketing. So the first thing to do is to go to your Google web browser and log in your Shopify account. And then after that, you have to look for an email marketing template or anything relates to email marketing. For example, I am going to type here engage message. So as you can see, there are some options here, but all you have to do is to click this number two. But once I tap this one, unfortunately, this one is not suitable or not compatible to my PC. So I just go back and type email marketing again and then tap enter. So once I click this email marketing, I can see here various templates that I can install and I can use for email marketing. So you can just simply tap anything here, but for me, I'll have to choose the first one, Smart Mail Email Marketing SMS. So once you tap this one, you need to install this to your Shopify. Okay, but first you have to click this add app, and then after that, it will take you directly to another site where you need to tap this install app. So once you install this application, you can go back to your Shopify and you can start using this template for email marketing. So this is what it looks like. This is an example template for email marketing. For example, you want to do newsletters and so on. So all you have to do is to explore this template. For example, you're going to send something relates to a specific topic. So you just have to find it right here. And then after that, you can just simply tap this schedule and send, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.